Okay, here we have the Upperrizon portable gaming monitor 16-inch QHD, which is 2.5K instead of the normal 1080K on some of the models, external monitors within the $100 to $200 range. It's at 1610 and it has a higher refresh rate of 100 instead of 60, and potentially they market it as a game console. So this is the one with the kickstand. So this is going to be an unboxing. So make sure that you undo this, the two stickers here. So you just use the scissors and clip that, and put this to the side. And it comes with these things here. Put those in there, and here's the monitor here. It comes in a nice little case, as you can see. Zipped in. I'll put that there for now. Comes with 3 cables. So there's 2 cables that are USB-C to USB-C. It's this one and this one. And then it has a USB-A to USB-A, and I'll tell you why in a second here. And then what most monitors don't come with is it actually comes with a little plug, which is a 30 watt, so it's a nice charger. And this is a USB-C, so that'll connect. I believe what happens is one of these connects to power the one, and then one of these can connect to your computer if you don't have a computer, a laptop that or a desktop that can actually power at the same time, because sometimes this will go into your computer and your computer will power that at the same time that it's connecting to it. But if not, you can have 2 ways of doing that. So let me undo this, and you can see what this is. So here's the zipper. It comes out. It's a lovely case, and then it comes into the plastic sleeve. So let's just undo that. Clean that out. Now here is the monitor, and the version that I got comes with a kickstand. So here's the kickstand in the back, and you can see that it comes out and it acts just like a kickstand, just like that. Oh. Now I'm going to do a comparison with 2 other monitors that I bought, and you can see that next. Okay, everyone, so here's the 3 extendable monitors for my laptop that I'm considering getting. So first of all, that's my laptop right there, the Acer. It has an OLED monitor, very nice one, bright, crisp. There's the LENOVO, there's the KYY, and this is the Upperrizon, which has a better resolution. This one has 1080p, both of these have 1080p, and the Upperrizon has, I think, 2.4K. And I'm not able to connect that, but I will next. But to go into the screen, I don't know if you can tell, but the screen is just definitely quite a bit brighter, of course, than the other ones. But going to now look at the VESA. I don't know if you can see that it's pretty clean. There isn't any pixelation in that word. Now, if you go to the LENOVO, you can see that the screen is definitely not quite as bright. And that VESA, you can see there's a bit of pixelation in there. Although it's not terrible, you can still see some pixelation in that VESA. And the KYY is actually better. It actually has a nicer, you can still see a little bit of jaggedness in that V, but it definitely is looks a bit nicer, and it's a bit of a brighter screen too than the LENOVO. The only thing I don't like about this KYY is that I find this this little kind of holder here a little bit clunky as I try to move around, whereas the LENOVO has a really stiff holder there, so that's actually really nice. So next I'll actually compare this KYY, because it seems to be the better screen, to this Upperrizon, which has a little bit better pixelation, and it actually has a really nice stand there too. That's nice and stiff. It doesn't really move at all. Okay, once again, now I've already looked at my laptop OLED, that the KYY does have a pretty nice and bright screen. It looks a bit bluey on the picture, but it actually isn't. It looks a bit whiter. And then the Upperrizon, which is a 2.5K, so it's a bit better resolution. So again, let's go to this VESA, and you can see as I get close, you can see the zigzaggy in the V and the A there in the VESA. And then as you go close to this one, I'm trying to get out the light. There we go. So now you can see that, and then there's much less of the zigzaggy. So as you look at this, you don't actually see the colors are bright. You don't actually see the zigzag in the lettering, which is nice. And in this one that you do. And so because this
KYY, although it's actually, I'm quite impressed with it, but partly because I don't like the stand, although I think some people would. I like the stiffer stands that this one and both this one and the Lenovo have. I'm probably going to end up keeping this one here. This one is also nice and light and it has a really nice case too. So that's our reviews of our three ones. I think you can't go wrong with any of them. Partly depends on your price point, but I think as an extra display, they would all work out quite nice, I think.